What if a new sun replaced Pluto, turning our solar system into a binary star system? At first, nothing dramatic. Months pass and everything looks almost normal. Then, slowly, the outer giants begin to feel the tug. Neptune and Uranus nudge from their lanes. Years turn into decades, and the orbit of the second sun tightens. It draws closer, its path curving inward until the pair begin a slow, unsettling dance. Back inside, at first the inner planets still keep their pace. The Earth seems okay, but only at first glance. Over the decades, the global average temperature edges up, from roughly 7 degrees Celsius to about 8 degrees Celsius, and later nearing 9 degrees Celsius by the mid-2100s. 1 degree of global warming is not just a number. Every extra degree increases heat extremes, stresses ecosystems, melts more ice, and raises sea level. Small steps that add up to big changes for food, weather, and coastlines. As the two stars circle, their influence grows obvious. Jupiter still follows our original sun. For a while. Saturn and Jupiter begin to bend, their orbits drawing tighter as if pulled into the second sun's gravity. Then suddenly, Saturn is snatched away, captured by the second sun, a dramatic theft across space. The two stars draw even closer, weaving around each other, and the outer system becomes a stage of unstable choreography. Jupiter, too, is dragged into the contest. For a time it orbits the second sun alongside Saturn, a shocking reversal of everything we assumed stable. In a close encounter later on, the original sun manages to reclaim Jupiter briefly, only for a later violent passage between the stars to fling Jupiter outward like a slingshot. The giant is catapulted from the system, ejected into interstellar space. The loss is seismic. Without Jupiter's gravity as a shield, the inner system becomes more vulnerable to cometary bombardment and long-term orbital chaos. This chaotic duet of two suns does not settle quickly. The simulation runs for centuries, into the mid-28th century and beyond, and the pattern repeats. Long stretches of relative calm, followed by episodes of close approach that reshape orbits and fling worlds into new fates. Will this ever become stable? Maybe, over millennia the system could slowly settle into a wide binary configuration, or it might never find peace, ricocheting between order and chaos for ages. What this scenario makes clear is brutal and beautiful. A single massive intrusion can quietly rearrange the architecture of a planetary system. It can nudge climates, steal moons and planets, and even eject giants. The outer clockwork can seem to tick on while the inner world slowly rewrites its destiny.